Let's take a quick look back at where we started with this project. I put product links in the description below. I asked that if you're going to buy these products in the near future to please use those links. It doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps support the channel. Thank you. Welcome back to Low Buck Builds. In this video, we're going to get these rockers finished. We're going to get them body worked and painted. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're basically just leveling out the fiberglass right now. We're going to do a little bit more Bondo down there. But overall, I think this cab corner is going to come out really good. I'm going to go ahead and get on this door and this mess and get on the other side. They'll come back. Starting to get the Bondo in and get it shaped. I haven't done a lot of recording because I'm kind of in a hurry. I want to paint this tomorrow. But yeah, it's going to come out really nice. Check out the haze out here. Let's see if I can get where you can see. That's from the fires from Canada. You can actually smell it. It smells like smoke today. It's crazy. It's been like this all day today. It's supposed to be like this all day tomorrow too. But yeah, we're starting to get our Bondo on. This inside I'm not too worried about. The doors I'm not too worried about. So the biggest thing I'm worried about is the cab corners. I want them to look nice. The inside rockers, I don't want them to look bad, but I'm not going to go too nuts with them. And the inside of the doors are the same way. But it's going to turn out nice. A heck of a lot better than the way it was, that's for sure. Alright, so we're going to be starting with 60 grit, and then we'll be going to 150. Then when we come back, we'll fill those spots that show up in the primer. We'll put a little bit more Bondo there, get it sanded down. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be painting this. I'm going to go do the same things to the other side, and I'll bring you guys back for paint. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. It's about to rain. We're supposed to get 4 days of rain possibly and high humidity, so that doesn't work out well for painting. I still haven't 100% decided, but I think I'm going to go up to Ace and get some aerosol and shoot this since it's out in the driveway. And if you look at the rest of the paint on the truck, it's rough. I'm not planning on repainting this, so I think aerosol will be fine. But you can tell, you can see these are nice and smooth. I mean, looks 100 times better than it did before. I'll throw in a comparison of what these looked like before we started. There's a couple of spots I got some Bondo I'm going to sand down right before I paint it that I just want to touch up. But as you can see, 100 times better than what we started with. Let's check out the other side. Again, I got a couple of spots that I'm gonna touch up a little bit, but overall it came out really good. So next we're gonna get this bed off and get it flipped over in the garage, so while it's raining I can work on the bed rails. You'll see that in the next video. I'm gonna try to remove the bed tonight, get it flipped over in the garage so I can start welding the new bed rails in. You'll see that in the next video. Alright guys, hey, I appreciate you watching. Put a comment down below, let me know what you like or don't like, and I'll catch you in the next video.